In this video, I will show how to set A4 size in Adobe Illustrator. So if you have a document in your this Adobe Illustrator, so here click on properties and click on edit artboards, and now here click on edit artboards. Then in the preset select A4. Similarly, you can select another size like A3, A5, B4, B5. Then click on exit. And if you don't have this option, so click on window, and in this list you have to find out this properties. Here you can select units like millimeters, points. So to set A4 select millimeters, then edit artboards and select here A4. So thanks for watching.